Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more travel tips and reviews. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This review reflects my own experience using Hostelworld. Hostelworld Booking Platform Review, a comprehensive look at budget-friendly travel. Welcome to this in-depth review of Hostelworld, a leading booking platform for budget-conscious travelers. You'll find links to the platform and its exclusive deals in the description below. Hostelworld specializes in connecting travelers with affordable accommodations, primarily hostels, but also guest houses and budget-friendly hotels. It's designed for backpackers, solo adventurers, and anyone seeking a vibrant community of like-minded individuals. Hostelworld shines in its ability to offer unique and economical lodging options across the globe. A key strength of Hostelworld is its vast database, boasting over 17,000 properties spread across 179 countries. The platform caters specifically to social travelers, highlighting hostels that emphasize shared spaces, organized events, and community-driven experiences. Each listing provides detailed descriptions, high-quality photographs, and verified guest reviews, promoting transparency and empowering users to make well-informed booking decisions. Hostelworld's search functionality is incredibly robust. It provides filters for price, location, user rating, and amenities such as free Wi-Fi, breakfast, or private rooms. A handy map view allows users to easily pinpoint properties near landmarks or public transportation. For budget-minded travelers, the platform delivers excellent value, frequently showcasing hostels with prices significantly lower than traditional hotels, without compromising on quality. The Hostelworld mobile app elevates convenience to a new level. It empowers users to search, book, and manage reservations seamlessly, even on the go. Furthermore, the app includes a social hub, enabling users to connect with fellow travelers and join hostel events directly. For added peace of mind, Hostelworld offers flexible booking options, often including free cancellation policies on many listings. Another valuable feature is the Hostelworld blog, a rich source of travel tips, destination guides, and advice specifically tailored to budget travelers. This transforms Hostelworld from simply a booking platform into a comprehensive resource for planning and enriching your travel experiences. In summary, Hostelworld is an exceptional choice for budget-conscious travelers and those seeking authentic, community-focused travel experiences. Its extensive property database, user-friendly platform, and emphasis on social travel distinguish it from other booking platforms. Explore the links in the description below to discover Hostelworld and book your next unforgettable adventure.